we on?
We're on.
Rolling. Do you want to do the intro today, Mr. Adam?
Nah.
Okay. Yo! Welcome back, Nick, Adam. Done an EICR today. I'm going to shout because I know we're driving. We've done an EICR, failed it, we didn't fail it, did we, Adam? We gave an unsatisfactory report because of quite a few things. But we couldn't record, like I've said before, we're doing all the stuff with the estate agents, we can't film at people's houses with the landlords and tenants. But we did walk in there and the very strong smell of...
Cannabis.
Cannabis, that is the word I was looking for. Not growing, just one of them. Anyway, we're gonna go change some LEDs because we fitted some of the new JCC fire guards the other day. The ones with, because we're so sick to death at the moment of fitting all-in-ones, because I'm still having problems with the Yes Luxner ones. They're still going wrong. We're just going to change 10 the other day, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we've started fitting the fire guard ones where you've got the interchangeable LED. Sort of going to be better for us. But we fitted them. I bought some 7-watt LED bulbs from the local wholesaler. And the customers rang up and told me they're too bright, so we're going to go and change them now. So we'll get a little bit of footage of that, and then we're going to nip across to the job later that when I went to do some sockets in, their dog decided to take a wee in my tool bag and break 2 batteries and a drill. Apparently there's an outside socket there that's not working, it's been done by a previous electrician, so I don't really know what we're turning up to. So come along for the ride, come along for the journey. Adam, anything you want to add, mate?
Not really, just loads of people looking at me dead weird because I'm filming.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair. Let's wave at them all.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Right, we'll see you at the job. They're the 7.5 ones. I'm going to stick that's neutral, isn't it? I'm going to stick some warms in. Go on and add.
Kind of,
Yeah, just twist it. Oh, I'll turn it off. I know you'll be blinded now.
Oh, the old thing's moving right there.
That's it.
Oh, right there. Right, so Nick's super tool.
There we go.
Just change that over. Literally just
don't mind this because it's still getting decorated.
Yeah,
that's the new board. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, you poke it in.
Excuse me?
And then
twist it.
Colour difference.
Job's a good one.
I don't know where the switch is.
Switch is here.
So the colour difference. They prefer that colour as well.
Get off your phone, please. There you go. That was easy. Right, next job. I just want to have a chat before we go on to the next job about a few things. First of all, I've had a lot of comments about the guy's house went around who had a rewire done and it was poorly done. Was a fully qualified electrician, it was registered with the NIC. I did say this in the video, but I don't think a few people caught on it. NIC got involved, they weren't happy with the
installation.
Thank you. Installation of the job. And they recommended, they're backwards and forwards, and the customer has had a £2,000 or will have had a £2,000 refund, which will then, we've already quoted for the work, and we've already been, the job has been accepted. It's going to be a couple of months though, because I'm just too busy. So that one's cleared off. Next one, I thought, so yeah, to the sponsor of the video is Traderify. What I'm going to do, if you guys request it, so what is absolutely perfect with us at the moment is when we're completing the job, we're using Easy Cert, where then literally you can validate that. We can then share that across to Traderify. We then attach it to the invoice, we attach it to a job, because with the estate agents, what we're doing, the estate agents is the customer, and then for the different sites, we're allocating to the different addresses that we're going to. And then under the different sites and the addresses, you can then add the customer's details, who the tenant that lives there, with their email address. So when we're getting the stuff, the works order across for the EICRs, we're then contacting the customers through there. We schedule it in, and then it will allow you to schedule it, and then you CC them in. They then get a confirmation email of when their job is then booked in. They can then accept it with the buttons and all that sort of stuff. So you're always in contact with someone. There's always a form of
communication.
Thank you, Adam. I know what I do with that, you know.
Do you speak for it?
Yeah. Do you want to just take over? Call it Adam Dunlop Electrical YouTube channel. And get amongst it. Rhino train truck.
Yeah.
Rhino. He's here. Right, let's get back to the sponsor. Anyway, so what we were saying is, once I go home in an evening, I mean, I do it at work sometimes, but then I'll just click change from the job itself, change to an invoice, put the details in, attach in then the certificate, because it's there. You just got to go on attachments on the email, clip that in, and it's all done. And then you can see as well when the invoice is sent, you can see when it's been opened, you can see when it's been viewed, at what time, by who. So yeah, it's very cool. So if you want me to do videos on how to share certificates across and run through it, just let me know. Next on, let's go to the job that the dog weed on my stuff and see what's there. Right, so we're at the job. Adam's here. He wanted to get McDonald's, so I had to buy him one. Armour cables comes around. We've just looked inside. The armour cable goes into an adaptable box, which then feeds off that onto a plug. So it's plugged in, feeds around here, goes up to here. That's lovely. Look how fresh that is. That looks fake. It's that good. Right, go on then. Up we go. Where's the socket? No.
Under it. And then, oh, don't stand in that black stuff.
It's okay. Right, so unplug this. It is unplugged inside. Oh, and just take the camera down. Right, so you got. Oh, cool. So the armoured isn't. Okay, so the armour's not glanded. Goes into a waterproof box, which the lid hasn't shut. Then there's a piece of twin coming out on a plug top into an extension lead, and that's where she was saying it's water getting in. So I think because all this is just running to LEDs, so we've got plinth LEDs in here, and you've got lights above.
Spiders everywhere.
Spiders everywhere. I don't quite know what that twin's running to. I'll have to find out.
No, that is to the plinth lights, isn't it?
Is that the plinth? Well, it shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Oh no, it goes in piping. Oh, there's wall lights on here, isn't there? Yeah, it's coming to these wall lights. It's in conduit from here.
Oh.
So there's not a great deal we can do that. I think the only thing we can do, we'll run and get an outside double IP double socket, even a single socket. See, is that fixed back there? See if we can fix it on the fence or something in there. Then keep the extension lead in. We'll cut the cable off and just do it. Make sure it's dry. Feed it in, and then we'll mount the box so it's on its side, so it's not going to let any water in. But there's a bit of a mess in it. Apparently, a fully qualified electrician did this. That's good. Nice one. Right, we're back. Outside socket. Went wholesale around the corner. Storm gland. Outside socket. We've got this is the jobbing bag. Just chucked a few things in we need. Got one of these like piranha nut things as well, so we can just fly, because the SWA over there isn't glanded, so we can at least gland it in the back of the box. And it's starting to rain. So Adam said he's going to be the man that holds the camera, i.e. the cameraman. You sure Dragonfly didn't bite your bed again? Yeah. And yeah, so wish us luck.
All done by the time I get back, right?
What was that, sorry?
Expect it all done by the time I get back.
Yeah, well, next time bring the right materials with you. He's bought a 20 instead of a 20S. So I'm going to cut everything off here. I've just got this extension out of the way. The bottom of it's damp, but the top of it isn't, or moist, or whatever you want me to call it. Just snip the armoured off. I'm just going to get the armour gland, re-gland it. It's a double skin fence, so it's skinned from each side. So I think where that will reach up here, it's going to be awkward as hell. There's not any more slack on it. And for the time being, this, I'm just going to probably put it in some flexi conduit. So, and then this is soaked. So this was the socket that was just poured into. So, and then we'll just clip this to the back somewhere, so it's up out of the way, so it's not sitting in water or anything like that. But just trying to make the job a bit better. The last electrician, who was very poor, unfortunately.
Yeah, right. So Nick's perched on a gas bottle. Just showed off your bum on the camera.
Only fans, yeah?
Yeah.
Was it fans only? I can't remember.
But yeah. So we've got some earth fly lead to go into the piranha nut. Storm gland. These save you having a shroud. So literally, oh, you've already slid the other end on. So
yeah.
Armoured sheathing goes around that like a normal gland, and then the other half of it screws on. Which, can we see? No, I can't see from the photo. We'll show you in a minute when we've got it on. When Nick's just stripping the secondary installation.
Got rain going down my bum. Oh, that was horrible.
Stanley. There.
Yeah, he's here. I'm having a brain fart. I've left off my tools in the van.
Yeah. They're all in the other jobbing bag, aren't they?
The big one.
The big one, yeah.
The 7.0.
That would have been good here because it's got a lid on it. Tools wouldn't have got wet.
Well, why don't you lay across my tool bag so they don't get wet?
This is Nick's innovative. Innovative? Is that a word?
Innovative.
Innovative, yeah. Way of keeping his tools dry. Apart from we left the probably most expensive one out. The Impact with a massive 12 amp battery.
Right, where's this?
Right, I've moved it now, where it's sitting. Right, whatever. Right. Land in the bottom, yeah?
I think I'm going to go in the side, to be honest. So we'll pop that through. The piranha nut thing. These aren't actual piranha nuts, but you all know what it is, so. I'll slide on there. I need that bit, please. Oh dear, I've got mud in all of it.
No, that bit.
Yeah, please. Thank you. The joys. I think I prefer doing the ICRs, Adam, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
What's this? Get my hands dirty again.
Of course it's raining as well. First job
time
we have outside
yeah.
in a while.
I do like these bands.
Got a big persuasion tool down there though, if you don't fit.
Persuasion, that's it. We don't know the lingo now. So that'll go on there. We'll drill a... oh, should we get the crimp on first?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's in the little... Good thing about these bags is they come with like little tubs. Just a little one in there, mate.
Oh, the little yellow crimp. Eye crimp. Switch it over.
No.
No.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
Yeah, this
What's
is what
that from?
happens.
What TV program's that from?
Jon Snow?
Yeah.
I was gonna say Jack Frost, but no.
What?
I don't know why.
Jack Frost?
I don't know. Ain't got a clue.
Game of Thrones.
Yeah, I've not watched that.
Have you not?
Not all of it. Watched, I think a few.
Let's put
No,
this here,
Hobbit. That's what I've watched.
You've watched what?
Hobbit or something.
Hobbit?
Yeah.
Something to do with Game of Thrones.
Oh, they're all terrible anyway.
Right, you're sacked immediately. Anybody who wants to work now with me, Adam's now lost his job.
Yeah.
The Hobbit? Have you never watched Game of Thrones?
No. Just doesn't appeal to me.
That's you're on about Lord of the Rings, the Hobbit and everything.
Yeah, that's it. You got that the wrong way, haven't you?
How is it on the wrong way?
No.
Let's go either way. You okay? Do you need to go home?
Yeah, please.
You tired?
Hello, tired.
No, I said are you tired, not I'm tired.
To just show what you're doing.
I'm trying to do it.
Yeah, I'll hold that.
Thanks, mate. You rehired now.
Teamwork. So that's earthing.
That's earthing the armour sheathing around because it's not on the inside. And then I've not got loads there, but I don't want to use too much of the slack up, to be honest.
What's that? I've never seen that before.
It's just some armoured, they have some tape round it as well.
Do you understand me?
My arse hurts to stand on top of that box. Box?
What was I going to say?
Probably about Game of Thrones.
No, it's going to sort to do. Oh, I'm having a moment. I was about to say
we need some
something.
sleeving. That's not sleeving, that's heat shrink. Looks like you have to go to the van again, mate.
Oh no.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I've got tape, it's fine, we can use tape.
No, we can't use tape.
Yeah, we can use tape.
No.
Yeah, we can.
Everyone leave the comment below, is tape sufficient or should we get... Oh, there's some sleeving here, look. But you need to go and get some blue sleeving. Okay, take care now. Bye-bye then.
No, blue tape.
Oh. Right, so what I've decided to do, it's actually going on here because I have just double checked and it's not a double skin fence. So that's going on there, that's secure. There's a drain hole down the bottom, we've sleeved it up and also doubled it over. We've got the fly lead. It's up and ready. I'm going to add and put the front of that on. Yeah, do some work today, yeah?
Yeah.
Instead of running around testing. And then we'll fix this back. You've obviously got the little slotted holes here to keep the IP rating of this box. And afterwards, I've said I'd just protect this a little bit more. Even though it's not going to get damaged as much as under a big bench unit, but I'll just slip some flexi conduit over that for the time being, just protect it a little bit more from any rats or anything they get under here, I would have thought, but I suppose they can chew all this. So yeah, give us 2 minutes and we'll get it on.
Right, so secure to the wall. Nick's just terminating it now.
Yeah, I'm stuck in a little hole. Too big for this, Adam.
So doubled them over, which we always do because there's only 1 cable going in each. Wow, we've even doubled over the earth because they're a lot smaller.
Double over?
Yeah, double. Sometimes you have to kind of force them in a bit because the multi-strand doesn't.
I wonder where you're going with that.
No, the multi-strand doesn't sometimes fit, does it?
My knees. Too big. Too big. Excuse me. Right. While Adam's just screwing the lid on, just seen something amazing. This is my friend's house, by the way. Obviously from the previous video with the dog weed on my stuff. I know I've said that 4 or 5 times now. But look what I found over there. Oh my word, look at the flexi conduit, Adam. Look how big it is, and it's yellow. You haven't seen it yet? Well, maybe we can put some of that on the cable. Also, while he's doing that, question. I'm not going to tell you what I think. I want to know what you guys think. Like this, SWA is off onto a plug top. We're just going to double check like 3M, like I said. But if you were to come to this and do what I'm doing now, would you issue a certificate because it's on a plug? It's not part of the electrical installation, as in hardwired. What would you guys do? What do you do? Do you issue certificates, or is it because it's on a plug? It's different. It's not to regs. I'm keen to know your guys' opinion. We've spoken about this quite a few times, so yeah, let us know below. Right, absolutely hammered it down. Oh, quick! Hide the evidence. Hide the evidence. Hide the evidence.
Oh, that was so close.
That was almost as good as Jordan climbing out the back of his Tesla. Was it Van Tesla?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Loads of snow falling in.
Yeah, there was the snow fell on the back of his car. That's all done and dusted. We've got loads more stuff to do there. We're going to do the board, upgrade the board a little bit, but it's my friend's house. We're just going to jump back as and when. But the guy shedding before has really, yeah, not done a very good job. Good job. Not good job. Anyway, good job. All the links to Tradeify. Click below. Check it out. If you want me to run through any specifics, not Pacifics, of Tradeify with how it's helped me out and what we're doing, and also, yeah, not also. That's it. Let us know below. Anyway,
get amongst it. Have
a good weekend. Get amongst it. Okay, now. Bye bye then.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
That's new one. Bye bye.
Okay then. Bye bye now.
Bye bye now.